Yeah, this notion of pre-composed composability. I think I may have gotten myself into trouble by saying this, but what I mean is, love the ability to extract an awful lot of value from one platform, and so maybe this platform is going to give me all the features that I need on day one. So something, if I'm thinking about a data platform, that might be pipes to bring data in. That might be a data warehouse. Let's say that might be some really smart data models that are just off the shelf. Things like recency frequency monitoring models, maybe a marketing attribution model, some amount of data science that I can just use, and then perhaps pipes to send that data back out. Like those are the building blocks that I would need for a modern data stack. And if I can get that all in one place, then I'm checking a lot of boxes. But what I want to look for in something that is that in essence, you can compose all of those individual components yourself, build a composable data stack or a composable CDP, or you could buy that from a single platform. If I'm looking to buy that from a single platform, I want to keep the option open to change out some of those parts over time. So maybe this all-in-one composable platform, they expose a data warehousing layer that doesn't meet my needs over time. And I want to be able to plug in my own. I think the ability to extend that platform is something that I would look at it as a part of my buying criteria. So it just works. It gives me the template for how I may want to evolve it over time. It isn't deeply opinionated that I can't change those parts out. In fact, it encourages that as my business grows so that we can grow together. So I haven't found a more clever way of saying it. I think that there's some of the ways that I've experimented in the past have been, how do you get an awful lot of out of the box functionality that your entire organization can benefit from without being put into a box? So if you think about maybe traditional ERP software, if you don't change your business practices to adhere to what the platform wants, you're going to feel a lot of pain. I think that's, you bought something out of the box, but you're stuck in a box. And I think what I'm trying to explain is, how can you get an awful lot out of a box, but where you still get to design a box? And perhaps that's an overly simplistic way of looking at it, but that's what I'm trying to achieve. And I think that that's ultimately possible if you make really smart choices and you have a smart engineering team that knows what the business requirements are and can extend it. And I think we have an awful lot of pretty boxes out there if we go down that path.